everyone, team. Welcome to TrioTech Software Trainings. Myself is Kumar, and I will be the trainer for this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. And today we are here to have a demo on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications. So currently you joined the webinar meeting link. So we have certain restrictions for today's demo team because considering the huge population joined for the demo today, we have restricted the access to unmute yourself. So I request everyone to please make a note of all the questions that which you will be getting overall the session. And at end of the session for today, I will be unmuting everyone team so that you can directly interact with me and you can post your questions. So I request everyone, please make the note of the questions that you will be getting during the session that we are going to have for today team. So as I told you, today we are going to have a demo on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So I cannot take one-to-one details about you people today. In the due course of time, after the today's session on a one-on-one discussion, I can able to understand about your particular requirements team. You can reach me directly on the number that is displaying on the screen. Post session or tomorrow at your convenient time, we can able to discuss one-on-one. So in today's demo session, I can't take introduction about you people. So before starting the demo for today, let me introduce about myself, who I am, what is my expertise in this particular technology, what is the total experience I have, and how many students that I have trained so far in this technology. Let me give you a brief introduction about myself. So let me go on to the slide about trainer. So as I told you, myself is Kumar, and I'm having total 14 years of industry experience team. I'm an Oracle certified implementation specialist with 14 years of total experience. And out of that, 12 plus years I'm into this core IT consulting. And since last 8 years, I have been part of this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications. And I got an opportunity to work close to 10 plus end-to-end implementation and support projects. And the customers or the clients that I have worked for the clients from different countries across the globe. I worked for the clients from United States, from UK, Australia, Finland, and I even worked for the clients for Middle East, for UAE, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Oman. I have covered all the legislations across the globe team. So I have been part of 10 plus end-to-end implementation and rollout projects in this particular technology. And I'm also a corporate trainer team. I have delivered 20 plus corporate trainings to several companies, like companies in order to upskill their employees' knowledge on this technology. I have privileged to provide the corporate trainings in the companies as well, where I have trained their employees in this particular platform. And I'm also a Oracle University trainer team. I'm official trainer with Oracle University as well, where I conduct trainings on Oracle Fusion HCM for several modules team. And precisely to wind up my introduction team, coming to my employment, the companies for which I worked for, I am an ex-Deloitte, Infosys, E&Y, and currently I'm also working for an MNC company, and currently I'm working for a global implementation for a big client in the market team. So this is brief introduction about my accreditation or my experience with this technology. So quickly moving out to the today's agenda team, what we have planned for this today's demo session. In today's session, we are going to see, first of all, introduction to ERP, because I know participants joined today. Okay, we have more than 100 plus participants joined today. I know that many of you are coming from different backgrounds. Some are freshers, just college passed out graduates. Some are working in other ERPs planning to move to Oracle Fusion. Some are working in other domains, like a person might be working as a sales executive, or a person might be working as a HR recruiter or HR executive in some company. Now you are planning to switch your career to IT. So keeping all in mind, I want to explain you what is the concept of ERP in the market. Why? Because team, our Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications comes under ERP category or ERP family. So I will introduce to you what is ERP. Within that ERP category, how many different products available in the market, right team? That all I will introduce to you first of all. And then I will make you understand what is Fusion application, what we are learning actually, what is this technology is about. I will introduce to you what is Fusion application, who are going to use this product in the market, what we are going to do once we learn this technology. And I will also introduce to you Fusion applications evaluation overview. Means when these applications came in the market, because many of you have a doubt, Kumar, is this a perfect technology to start our career? Or it is a old 20 to 30 years old product. Now there is no demand for this product or what? Many questions you people used to have. So to break that, I'm going to explain you here when the Fusion applications introduced in the market, what are the roots that were laid down by the Oracle to come up with this product in the market. That all evaluation overview of this product I'm going to tell you here, team. Then I will talk about the deployment options available in this application or technology, team. Any customer, any company buying this product from Oracle, how the application will be delivered. We have two deployment options available, team. Something like on-premise and a cloud deployment options. I will explain you what is on-premise and what is cloud deployment option. Then I will talk about types of companies involved. Any software technology you take in the market, it might be Oracle Fusion HCM, it might be DevOps, it might be AWS, whatnot. Any software application you take in the market, how many companies will involved in the execution or usability of the product? First of all, who is selling this product? Who is using this product? Who is configuring this product? Where we will work in all these companies once we learn this technology. That I will tell you in types of companies involved, team. Then I will talk about Fusion environment releases. Every software application will have a version, team, like in your mobile. If you are using an Apple or a Android mobile, you have the software versions, right? Android 7.1 to 8.2, some version, iOS 9 to iOS 10, like that. So what is the Fusion environment versions? What is the frequency that Oracle will follow in order to provide the upgradation to their application? And every time when the upgradation happens, what new features will come in the system? That I will tell you in Fusion environment releases, team. And then I will talk about what are the modules we have in Oracle HCM Cloud. The application we are going to learn is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. Within this application, team, we have different modules available. We have functional, we have technical. Many of you asking me, when as an inquiry you reached me, many of you already spoke with me, and people used to ask me, Kumar, what is functional, what is technical, what we have to learn if we have to start a career in this technology, which you will suggest for us. I'm a completely non-technical background person. I'm not from a BTech background. Am I eligible, or I'm not a person who is good at coding. I don't know any languages like SQL, PLSQL, Java, Python, or basic C, C++, nothing. I don't know anything. Can I able to learn this technology? I used to get all these questions from the participants or the people team. So here I'm going to explain you what are the modules we have in this technology. And once we learn this technology, what kind of roles and responsibilities that are available in the market, what kind of jobs we are going to get in the market, what could be the average salary packages once you start career in this technology as a fresher or as an experienced. That all I'm going to explain here in modules in Oracle HCM Cloud. And then team, I will introduce to you Oracle Knowledge Repository, like Oracle standardly delivering the materials or the modules for their applications team. Where to go in the Google, where we can download the Oracle standard materials, that all I will introduce here in Oracle Knowledge Repository team. Then I will also introduce to you Oracle certification process. The second question that I used to get from the people, do we have to do certification to get the job? That all I will address here, team. What is the certification process in this technology? What will be the cost incurred? How the examination pattern? How many marks we have to get to pass? First of all, is it mandatory to clear that exam? Then only you will be getting the job or not? That all I will explain you in certification process, team. And finally, I will conclude the session here today with why to choose TrioTech software trainings. By learning the technology from Kumar, what benefit you will be getting out of it. That I will tell you and I will conclude, team. So today's session actually planned for 8 to 9, but it will extend for more 15-20 minutes. I request everyone to please bear team so that you will get the maximum understanding about all these topics. Okay. So let me move on to, first of all, introduction to ERP. What is this ERP stands for? Basically, ERP means what, Kumar? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. See, team, you take any organization in the market. You take our well-known Indian companies, Tata Group, Reliance Industries, Cisco System, or Amazon, Google, Flipkart, L&T, any company you take, team, in the market. In every company, there will be different business processes involved. There will be HR wing in the company who will be taking care of all the HR activities in the organization. There will be financial department or financial wing who will be taking care of all financial related activities in the company, like amounts paying, amounts receiving for the company, everything. If it is a manufacturing company, okay, then they will have their supply chain, procurement departments or the business areas team. Then they will have sales, marketing, public relations. Any company you take in the market, there will be different departments, different business areas involved team. Now tell me, in order to conduct all these operations, a company or an organization requires a modular tech-based software applications or not. For example, come to human resource department team. You take any company. What will be the duties of HR people in that organization? They are responsible for hiring the employees, maintaining the employees in the organization, their every month leave management, different types of leaves providing to the employee, recording them. Then every month payroll, salaries processing to the employees. Then every year performance evaluation. These all activities a HR people in an organization will be performing. For example, team, there is a company called Tata Group is there. We know Tata company is how big, how many companies they have across the globe. We know almost 1 lakh employees working in Tata Group. Tell me, does it possible for a Tata company to maintain all their HR activities manually in Word, Excels? They can't, right? If it is a small company, okay, they can go with traditional way. They will maintain the data in the Excel. Okay, there's a company with 30 employees. Okay, fine. They will use the Excel. They will maintain the data of 30 employees. Okay, today this person is present. This person is absent. And okay, these month salaries I paid in this month. Next month I have to pay this. Like that, they can manually maintain all these activities. But if a company with high volumes of employees working, they can't do manually all the activities, right? So they require a modular tech-based IT software applications team. One such product, one such product Oracle providing in the market is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Application. HCM stands for Oracle Fusion Human Capital Management. So whatever is the technology that we are going to learn now, that is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So this is a IT tech-based software application which will be helping the organization to maintain their HR activities team. So ERP is nothing but team. It's a business process management software that manages and integrates companies all business areas team, financial, supply chain, operations, and in every company team, all these business areas to be integrated. HR people have to pay salaries to the employee. Finance will disburse the payment. There should be integration between these two. Then supply chain people will raise the invoices, everything. Again, payment should be done by finance team. So in a company, there should be a software which has to be integrating all the business processes team. So ERP applications are such applications in the market. So ERP is a category. It's a family or a category at the top. Under ERP team, there are many products available in the market. Oracle is one company which is offering Oracle Fusion applications. Like that, we have SAP, we have Salesforce, we have Workday, we have Northgate, Blackboard. These all are the different ERP products available in the market. For your reference purpose, I kept this slide team. There are many companies in the market that are in this particular business. So now we are going to learn about Oracle HCM. Our technology is team. So these all are other players in the market under this ERP category team. So our product comes under ERP family or ERP category team. So this is about a brief introduction to enterprise resource planning. Moving on to what is Fusion Applications team? Moving on to what is Fusion Applications team? See, if anyone asks me, Kumar, what you will tell about Fusion applications? I will tell them, or rather I can describe the Fusion applications into they built on open standard based platforms. They built on best business processes and they can be deployed through selection of options. What is this built on open standard based platform? Oracle SOA, service oriented architecture, WebLogic server, Web Center portal, JDeveloper, OBIEE. These all are different individual technical tools available in the market team. So Oracle Fusion applications were built. The backend schema of the Oracle Fusion applications are working on these different individual technical tools. This is just for your information purpose team. No one in the interviews will ask this question. If some of you already from a technical background joining, development background if you have, to make you people clear, I kept this point team. But rest of the people, please ignore. Just for information purpose. The backend schema of Oracle Fusion applications working on these different individual technical tools. And then team, Oracle Fusion applications built on best business processes. This is something important. Everyone should know about this team. What is this? Oracle Fusion applications built on best business processes. Whatever you are seeing here, team, Oracle e-business suite, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel, these all are what team? Prior to 2006, all these products are individual ERP products available at that point of time. Even now, these products are available, team, but prior to 2006, all these are individual ERP products available in the market. Oracle e-business suite, EBS, is Oracle's own ERP product at that point of time. PeopleSoft is owned by PeopleSoft Corporation. JD Edwards is owned by JD Edwards Corporation. Then Siebel is owned by Siebel Corporation. Like that, team, these all are the individual ERP products available at that point of time, prior to 2006. But there was a concern. There was an issue. What is that, team? Let me go to the next slide. Fusion evaluation path. As I told you, Oracle e-business suite, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards World, Siebel, these all are individual ERP products owned by their respective companies team. But at that point of time, team, none of the products are stable in all the business areas. If you take Oracle's e-business suite team, Oracle EBS is very famous for financials business area. It is very mature product, very stable product in the financials business area. If you take Hyperion, Hyperion is very good at reporting. Siebel is very good at CRM business area, that is customer relationship management, sales and marketing. JD Edwards is very good at procurement and financials. And PeopleSoft is very good at HRMS, nothing but our HCM area. But none of the products at that point of time is very stable in all the business areas team. So what Oracle did, Oracle identified the gap in the market. And in the year 2006, Oracle acquired all these companies team. E-business suite is anyhow their own product. Oracle acquired PeopleSoft. Oracle acquired JD Edwards World, Siebel, Hyperion, all the best existing ERP products at that point of time. Oracle acquired all those products. With $18 billion acquisition, Oracle acquired all these companies team. And what Oracle did, you know? In 2006, Oracle acquired all these companies, and Oracle taken the knowledge of financials from its e-business suite, HRMS knowledge from PeopleSoft, and from JD Edwards it took procurement and financials knowledge. From Siebel it took CRM knowledge. From every product it took the knowledge from the best business areas where they were strong, and they developed the new applications or the future generation applications called Oracle Fusion Cloud Applications team. In 2006, Oracle acquired all these companies, and in the year 2011, Oracle announced Fusion applications into open world. So if you ask me, Kumar, exactly when this Oracle Fusion applications came in the market, it's 2011. Oracle introduced this application. That is why I kept the point team, Fusion application built on best business processes in the market at that point of time. Now, some of you might be getting a question by this time. Kumar, it's 2011. We are in 2023, almost 13 years or 12 years close to. Do you think still that product having the demand? Wait, 2011, Oracle introduced this product in the market. But from 2015 and early 2016 onwards, this product penetrated into the market team. So it took 4 or 5 years to gain the market trust. And from 2016 onwards, we are seeing many of the clients or majority companies in the market adopting this Oracle Fusion applications for their in-house business operations team. So now we can say proudly Oracle Fusion applications are stable in all the business areas. You take our product HCM, you take financials, you take supply chain, you take reporting, you take PPM, any business area you take. Now we can say proudly, Oracle Fusion applications are very stable in all the business areas. That is the reason many customers now moving towards the Fusion applications team. And Oracle also insisting their existing customers who using their old e-business suite product, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards or Siebel product, that all customers Oracle insisting to move to the cloud because Oracle going to stop the support for these products team. Now, whoever the companies using these products, Oracle currently supporting them. New implementations or new selling of these products, Oracle stopped already. Every customer who currently using these applications, they have to move to Fusion within the next 5-6 years team. That is the reason where Oracle having a huge customer base in the market. And that is a reason where the demand for this technology phenomenally increases team. There are very, I can say that there is no HR practices that following in this technology, like market standards. When a person switching from one company to another company in this technology, there is nothing a HR policy is a constraint team, like maximum 12% hike only, we have nothing. We have seen the cases where 150% hike, 150% hikes. Means if a person working with 10 lakhs package, getting 20 lakhs, 25 lakhs package when he is moving out to the new company. That level of demand is there for this technology because huge customers opting this and there's a huge resource crunch in the market. So there's a point of demand raising is there for this technology team. So that is what the background of the Fusion applications. And then team, Fusion applications can be deployed through selection of options. What is this, Kumar? Deployed through selection of options. We have on-premise and a cloud deployment option team. On-premise means the traditional way of using the application. On-premises means when a customer buy this model of application team, customer or a company who buying this product from Oracle, they have to buy the application, they have to buy the server from Oracle and install the server in their office premises. They have to buy the data center and everything about the application maintenance, patching, security. The companies used to maintain team who buy the product from Oracle earlier days. But now these Fusion applications are completely cloud-based applications team. Now any company buy this product from Oracle, they no need to install the application anywhere, not even in your laptop or PC, or you no need to buy any server. You in the sense, whoever the companies want to buy this product from Oracle for using in their in-house operations, they no need to buy anything. Just they can subscribe the license from Oracle for the Fusion application and they can start using the application team. So the application will be delivered in the form of cloud. Cloud means what team? Any service that is hosted over the internet. See, the application looks like this. Just a URL. If you copy paste in any of your browser, in your Google, Internet Explorer, Firefox, anything, the moment I pass the URL team, I got a page, sign in Oracle Applications Cloud. I have my user ID and password. If I click on sign in, I could able to enter the application. See, my screen is loading. My screen is loading and I'm able to enter the application team. This is our Fusion Cloud applications. This is our Fusion Cloud applications. Anywhere did I install the application team? No. This is my laptop. Currently, I'm using my laptop to conduct this training. Did I install this software? Nothing, right? What I did, just the URL I pasted in the Google Chrome. Then I could able to access the application. This is what cloud-based technology team. Any service that is hosted over the internet, we call it as cloud. For example, Gmail that you are using. Are you installing that anywhere in your laptop team? No, right? Just you will go to the Chrome and you will type as Gmail, right? Then you can click on the URL and you could able to log in with your credentials. Then you could able to start sending the emails, right team? Our Fusion applications also absolutely the cloud-based technology. They can be deployed through cloud model team. Any customer who using the application will be in the form of cloud-based team. Moving on to types of companies involved in this product. Not only Oracle Fusion applications team, any software technology or any software application you take in the market team, typically three types of companies involved in the usability of the product. Let me explain it in the Excel team. So types of companies, okay, types of companies. Who are the people involved in this product usability team? Let me list it out here. Just give me a second. There is some issue with my Excel team. It's not responding. Okay, coming to the types of companies team, there will be three types of companies. One will be vendor, or you can call it as service provider team. One is vendor or the service provider, and the other one is team, okay, client or the customer company, client or the customer company, and the third type of company will be team, okay, consulting company, consulting or IT companies. So typically in our Fusion Cloud Applications team, three types of companies that will be involved. First of all, vendor or the service provider. What do you mean by vendor or the service provider team? Company who sell this product. Company who sells the product is called as vendor or the service provider. In our case team, for example, it will be Oracle Corporation. So our Fusion HCM cloud application is owned by whom? Oracle Corporation team. So Oracle is the vendor or the service provider who's selling the product in the market. Then team, client or the customer company. I'm using the word client since 15 minutes. I'm using usually the word client or the customer. What I'm referring to client or the customer company means company who buying the product, from vendor to use in their in-house operations is called as client or the vendor customer company team. For example, you can take Tata, okay, Reliance, okay, Amazon, Apple, okay, Cisco, anything you can take team, the well-known companies in the market. So client or the customer who, company who buying the product from vendor and use in their in-house operations team. For example, take Tata Group. Okay, let's assume team Now, Tata Group want to use Oracle HCM cloud applications in their day-to-day HR operations team. So what Tata will do? Tata will go to Oracle and they will buy this product from Oracle. Okay. Now, Tata is not having their own IT team, let's say. They can't implement the application according to the requirement team. Okay. What Tata will do? Tata will reach to the consulting or IT companies. Consulting or IT companies are nothing but team company who implement the product or configure the product according to the client requirement. According to the client requirement is called as consulting or IT companies. These are so-called software companies in the market. Deloitte, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, okay, then Wipro, Cognizant, whatnot, all IT companies team. So consulting or IT companies are nothing but company who will implement or configure the product according to the client requirement team. So clients are nothing but the companies who buying the product from Oracle in order to use in their in-house operations team. Now, when a client buy the product from Oracle, client will give project to these consulting companies team. So once you learn this technology, where you are going to start your career, in these consulting companies. In these consulting companies, you are going to start your career as a Oracle Fusion HCM cloud consultants. In that, we have technical consultant, functional consultant, techno-functional consultant. I will talk that in next 20 minutes, team. But once you learn this technology, team, you will be landing up in these consulting companies. So these are the companies who will be working on the client's project for configuring or implementing the product according to their requirement team. So this is about types of companies involved in this Fusion HCM cloud applications. Now coming to Fusion applications evaluation or environment releases team. I was telling you in 2011, Oracle introduced this product in the market team. Okay. What is the release version that Oracle came up, R1. The version that Oracle came up in the market is R1. Since then, Oracle evolving the product team, and now we are in 2023. The latest version of the Fusion applications is release 13. What is the latest version of the Fusion applications team now? It is release 13. So in 2011, Oracle introduced its team. It was R1. Then it upgraded to R2, R3, R4. R means release. Release 1, release 2, release 3, release 5. And now we are in release 13. So from release 1 to release 10, the application Oracle's sell in the market are in both on-premise and a cloud deployment options team. In both on-premise and cloud deployment options, Oracle sold the product. But from R11 onwards, team, Fusion applications purely available only on cloud-based model. If anyone asks you, Oracle Fusion applications is on which model? Tell them it's a cloud model. Completely the Fusion applications now available are in cloud option only team. Now, in the year 2017, basically, we reached release 13. Oracle made a decision that team, going forward, they don't want to change the version for Fusion applications team. They made R13 as a static. In 2017, late 2017 and early 2018 only, the applications that we reached to release 13. Since then, there is no change in the Fusion application versioning team. So R13 Oracle made as static version for Fusion application. So if anyone asks you the version of Oracle Fusion applications, tell them it is release 13. Within R13, there is subversioning which Oracle will follow for upgrade to upgrade. Now coming to Oracle's upgradation policy. What do you mean by upgradation policy, team? Oracle follow quarterly upgradation policy, team. What is that? Oracle will follow quarterly upgradation policy. Means what, team? In a year, how many quarters we have, team? We have 4 quarters in the year. Correct? Jan to March, first quarter. Every 3 months is a quarter. Then April to June, then July to September, then October to December. Every year, team, 4 quarters we will have. Oracle designates each quarter with alphabet A, alphabet B, C, and D. So every year, 4 upgradations Oracle will give to their applications team. What do you mean by upgradation? What do you mean by upgradation, team? See, as we all know, team, if you are using an Apple mobile iPhone or any Android mobile team, every time the application, the software will be upgraded every year or every 6 months. Our mobile softwares will upgrade. What will happen every time when the upgrade happen, team? Some new enhancements will come in the features. Some new features will come. Some old features or any bugs, issues are there, they will get fixed in the software. Similarly, in the Fusion application also, team, every 3 months, Oracle will upgrade their application team. Why? Because Oracle is having a huge customer base in the market. Many companies using Oracle Fusion applications. So Oracle investing a lot in their research and development team. Oracle will take feedbacks from all the customers across the market, and whatever the issues that they're currently facing in the application, all that bug fixes they will give. And any new features clients expecting in the application, they will introduce the new features in the application. So new enhancements, bug fixes, everything will be done in the upgradation time, team. In a year, 4 times Oracle will provide upgradation to their application team. That every 3 months. Every quarter, they will provide the upgradation. Now, as of today, if you ask me, team, we are in September 27th today. As of today, what is the latest version of the Fusion application? Let me show you that and let me explain you further how the sequencing Oracle will follow. Now I came to the Fusion application, team. Introduction to this application, these all features that I will take in tomorrow's session, not today. Once I come to the application, team, if I go to the right side button here, settings and action, you have something called about this application, team. If you click on about this application, you can see the Fusion Cloud application's latest version till date. See, team, everywhere you can see here, release 13, application development framework, middleware extension, release 13, database compatibility, release 13. And here you could able to see something called 23C 11.13.23.07. So now the current version of the Fusion application is, team, this one. Release 13, 23C is the latest version of the Fusion application, team. R13 is static. It won't change. Every quarter, this will be changing, team. What is this, Kumar? 23C. We are in 2023 year. 23 stands for that current financial year we are in. What is this C, Kumar? C stands for the quarter upgrade which that application currently. Now we are in the month of September, right? So September comes in what? Third quarter, right? July to September is the third quarter. So the third quarter Oracle designates as alphabet C. So 23C means we are in third quarterly upgrade of the application team. So next, when we enter October, in next 4 days, the application version will change to 23T. Currently, we are in 23C. Priorly, it was 23B, 23A. Last year, 22D, 22C, 22B, 22A. Then next year, 24A, 24B, 24C, and 24D. Every year, 4 times Oracle will provide the upgradation team, and every time the sequencing will be like this. The current year which we are in and which quarterly upgrade that application is currently. Now, as of today, if you ask me, the application is 23C. What is this, Kumar, then? 11.13.23.07 means what? 11 stands for 2011, the year which Oracle introduced the applications in the market. 11 means 2011. 13 means release 13. Release 13. 23 means the current financial year which we are in, 2023. 07 means team, we are in which quarterly upgrade now? Third quarterly upgrade. In third quarter, what is the first month? July. July means what team? 07. That is what team. Now next month, when the application is upgrading, it will change to 23D 11.13.23.10.0. 10 what, Kumar? 10 means the fourth quarter, first month. October means 10th month, right? In the year 1 to 12, 10th month. So take a screenshot of it. If anyone have a doubt after 1 week or 15 days when the application upgraded to 23D, check it out the version. It will follow like this. See, no one will tell all these things, team, but I want my students to know from the very grassroots level. The basic understanding of the application is very much needed before we actually starting the topics. That is the reason I'm covering the upgradation policy in the application team, because in interviews, there will be a chance to get the questions on these areas. How many times the upgradation will happen, or what you will do during the time of each upgrade. These kind of questions you might expect in. So every time or every quarter, when the upgrade happening team, there are certain configuration, there are certain tasks that which we have to perform. Once we are in the project for the client, we have to do some regression testings, pre-upgrade testings, post-upgrade testings, sanitary checks. We have to check team whether the application working fine or not after the upgrade happened by the Oracle. Or before upgrade, we will do some testings. And after upgrade, we will do some testings. We will compare the results. Okay, everything is fine. Then okay, proceed. That all things I will talk about in our workshop on implementation and support project team. Along with the training, as part of the placement activity, I'm going to conduct a workshop on real-time implementation and support project. Like once you get into the project, what you will do actually. Let's say many of you planning to keep some experience and try to apply for the jobs. So you don't know what you do in the, what you will be doing in the real time. So to make that aware to all the people, in implementation project, what exactly we'll do, what kind of work we will do in day-to-day life, what sort of documents we will prepare, that all we will cover team as part of placement preparation. And in support project overview, in support projects, what kind of work we will do. Every quarterly upgrade when happening in the company, what we have to perform. Impact analysis document means what documents we will prepare, what testings we will do. That all we will cover, team. So just as of now, I want to make sure everyone, the quarterly upgradation policy. Every year, how many upgrades that Oracle give to the product, I want to make sure clear for everyone, team. And what is the versioning sequence that Oracle will follow? Make sure everyone to be following this team. And when I'm talking about the documents introduction team, that is Oracle Knowledge Repository, I will talk about where we have to find the documents that Oracle giving, because I'm telling every quarter Oracle provide upgradation, some new features Oracle bringing in into the application. As a consultant who working in this technology team, you should be aware of all these things. What features or what new features Oracle bringing in this upgrade. So Oracle document all that new features team. I will also navigate to that in the knowledge repository when we are talking. If time permits today or in tomorrow's session, I will navigate to Oracle knowledge repository. There I will introduce to you where we can find the new quarterly upgrade features that Oracle giving team. Because once you start learning the application and you start your career in this technology, you have to grow along with the application team. Don't be in the impression that I'm learning it today, that's all fine. It will be for my lifetime. Yes, application will be there for lifetime. For next 15-25 years, this technology is going to be there because ERP applications will have very long shelf life because a customer buying this product will invest crores of rupees to buy the license. So they can't move to the new product like that. They will use at least 10-15 years team. That is what the market trends. So if you are planning to pursue your career in this technology, it will be for next 15-25 years at least in the market. But the thing is, to be updated, you should also grow along with the application. Every time what enhancements Oracle giving, what's happening in the application, you should also upskill yourself. To upskill yourself team, you have to follow that Oracle delivered documentations that I will introduce to you in knowledge repository team. So this is about Oracle Oracle applications upgradation policy team. Now moving on to the modules we have in this technology team. Okay. Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. Here I want to tell you first of all, what all are the modules we have in this technology, what comes under functional and what comes under technical. That I want everyone to be clear to. Because I have received from many people the common question, Kumar, what is functional, what is technical, what we have to choose, what is the demand area in the market. And next question, coding. We don't know any languages. I'm from non-IT background. Can I able to pursue this course? Let me introduce that points team. So the Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team having different modules in it. We have something like core HR, or we can even call it as team global HR module. Then we have absence management. Then we have payroll management. Then we have talent management team. In talent management, we have sub-modules like profiles, goal management, then PMS, performance management system, succession management. So this all comes under talent management team. Then we have something like advanced modules team, like compensation and benefits. Actually, these two are two different modules, but to pronounce or to call, we usually call them together. Compensation and benefits we will call team. Then we have something called team OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud. Then we have ORC, sorry. Before that, we have something like OTL, Oracle Time and Labor, Oracle Learning Cloud, then ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud, then Help Desk and Safety. Like this, we have different modules in the Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. A part of these modules team, we also have, we also have some additional concepts in the system. 1 second team. A part of these modules team, we also have the concepts like security administration. Okay. Then we have something like workflows. I'm listing out all the topics in this application team. Workflows and approvals. Then we have customizations through sandbox. We have a concept called sandbox team. Then we have something like inbound integrations. Okay. In inbound integrations, we have something like a HDL, then spreadsheet. Okay. Then we have something like team outbound integrations. In outbound integrations, we have something like BIP reports. Okay. OTBI reports. Then HCM extracts. These are the outbound integration tools we used to have. Then we have something like team fast formula. Okay. Fast formulas in the system. So all together team, these are all the components we have in this technology team. Now coming to the functional and technical side. These all modules will come under the functional side of the application team. These all modules comes under the functional side of the application team. Even security, workflows, customizations. If you ask me, these three also comes under the functional side of the application only. But as part of the trainings, many institutes in the market will cover these topics as part of technical training team. But if you ask me in real time, these three concepts also comes under the functional side of the application only team. The core technical components in Fusion application are these things. These are the core technical components in the Fusion application team. Inbound integrations, outbound integrations, fast form. Okay, these comes under technical team. What are all these, Kumar? In the functional modules team, for every business area in the HR, we have different modules that application providing team. In core HR module, we are going to configure all our clients' organization, work structures like jobs, locations, departments, position. Basically, employee management will handle in core HR module, the hiring of the employee, their transfers, promotions, demotions, terminations, everything will handle in core HR module. In absence module team, all the leaves that which we are going to provide to the employees, that leave management will handle in absence module team. In payroll module, okay, in payroll module, the salary management related things we are going to configure team. Then talent, every year performance evaluations we have to conduct to the employees, that will handle in talent. Then within the payroll only team, we have to give some additional compensations to the employee, like bonus payments, shares, something like that team. Then we have compensation module to handle that. Then benefits module we have for processing the insurance plans, social insurances employee belong to, that all will handle in benefits module. Then OTL we have team, Oracle time and labor. In every company, the time sheets will be there. Employee time management, punch in, punch out, swipe in, swipe out. That entire time attendance management will handle in OTL module team, Oracle time and labor. Then we have some advanced modules like OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud. See team, in any company, if you are working, when you onboard to the company, organization asks you to attend some mandatory trainings, some video lectures, and they will conduct some quizzes, exams. So within the Fusion application team, OLC module, Oracle Learning Cloud will help for that part of activities team. Then ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. Till now, clients used to use Oracle's existing recruiting tool called Taleo Team. There is one application of Oracle only called Taleo for exclusively recruiting activities. Like in any company, if HRs have to recruit the employees team First of all, business will raise the request to HR team, like we require these people for these operations. Then HR team will post into the all job postings. Then they will filter the resumes, conduct the interviews, then release the offers, all these things. In order to conduct all those activities team, we have something called Oracle Recruiting Cloud. Earlier, clients used to use Talio's team. Now, within the Fusion application only, Oracle came up with a module called ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. Then we have help desk and safety. It's not required to know this because none of the customers using this module in the market. It's an internal ticketing tool within the Fusion application team. So these are the modules, and we have security administration team, which will be dealing with user management, roles management, everything. Then approvals concept we have team. Like in any company you see, whenever an employee apply the leave, it should go for concerned manager for approval. Or whenever employee hiring in the system by the HR, it should go for concerned HR's manager. So all that approval management will be done in workflows and approval. And any basic level customizations that you want to do for the application team. Let's suppose my client is telling, Kumar, here I want my company logo. Background theme, I want some white color. These fonts should be changed. These pictures should be changed. Or within the pages also, some customizations my client asking. Anything that you want to perform for the application, any sort of customizations or personalization team, we have a concept called sandbox. In that we will do. So these all components will come under the functional side of the application team. Coming to the technical side, what we have team, we have inbound integrations. What do you mean by inbound team? Any data that you are inbounding into the Fusion application from outside means what? Let's suppose team, we got a project from Tata. We are working in Deloitte team, let's suppose as a Oracle HCM consultant. Our company Deloitte got the project from Tata. Now we have to configure the system for that client Tata group team. So let's say before Oracle Fusion HCM, Tata Group using SAP for their HR activities team. SAP HCM they are using. In that, there are, let's say, 20,000 employees data available for Tata Group. Now I have to migrate that data from SAP to Fusion system. How can I do, team? Any data in a bulk, if you have to migrate into the system, Oracle given two data migration tools team, that is HCM data loader, then spreadsheet data loader. By using these data conversion tools, any bulk data from outside, we can inbound into the Fusion system. So that comes under inbound integration team. Then outbound integration. Let's say we configure all these modules team. Our client started using the system. Now our client asking some reports from the system. Kumar, I want in this month of September, how many employees I hired? Or in the month of September, how many employees applied annual leave in the system? Or what is the payroll results for my employee? How much I paid for all my employees? Different reports they want to retrieve from the system team. That we will call as outbound integration. From the Fusion application, any data that you want to extract outbound, that is called as outbound integration team. So here, Oracle came up with 3 reporting tools. One is BIP reports, BI publisher report, OTBA report, HCM extract reports. So these are outbound integrations and these are inbound integrations. And we have one interesting concept called fast formula. In absence module, in payroll module, in compensation and benefits module, in all these areas team, in order to have some validations, have some calculations, we have something called formulas team. So that also comes under the core technical side in the Fusion application team. Now coming to the question, I am not from a technical background. I don't know any language, no coding I know. Can I able to pursue this technology? Absolutely fine. Because team, in functional side, nowhere anything that you have to write. No coding, zero coding here team, nothing. Even SQL also is not required to handle these things. Even this one also. In outbound integrations only, this BIP reports team, this BIP reports, and to an extent HCM extracts. To handle these, you require SQL prerequisite team. Means you should know SQL here, because BIP reports will be built based on the query that you are writing by extracting the database tables, everything thing. Only here you require the SQL prerequisite. But rest of all the system, 90% or rather 95% of the system, you don't require anything. Even fast formulas also, you don't require anything. You can learn it from scratch directly from the training. Only in this part, you require SQL team. Kumar, then how? Yes, in the market, the profiles are very clear. Once you learn this technology team, in the market, recruitment will be done for functional consultants, functional consultants, technical consultants, okay, then techno-functional consultants. For these three roles, the recruitment will be done for this particular applications team. Functional consultants, technical consultants, techno-functional consultants. If you learn only functional things, then you can drop your resume as a functional consultant. If you learn only technical components, then you can drop as technical consultant. If you learn techno-functional, both aspects, you can drop as techno-functional. The demand is very high for techno-functional consultant, because team, in a project, rather than taking two people, if I can take one person who can handle both, that will be cost saving for the company. Correct? So techno-functional profiles will have more demand in the market. Functional not having, technical not, it's not like that. There are clear-cut requirements, team. But if you are a techno-functional consultant, the advantage will be a bit higher compared to core functional, core technical. Functional consultants or techno-functional consultants will play a very vital role in the project team. In a team of, let's suppose in a project, 10 people are their team, 7 people will be functional consultants. Only 2 or 3 people will be core technical team, because in Fusion, technical scope being minimized. In e-business suite, the technical people used to have a huge role team, Oracle's previous product. But in Fusion applications team, the technical scope became minimalized. So functional consultants will have more demand team, but techno-functionals will have more than that. So if a person knows both team, it will be bit advantage. But Kumar, I don't know the SQL. Can I also drop as a techno-functional consultant? Yes, team. None of the candidates working in the market will know all the things. Take this point seriously. None of the candidates working in the market don't know all the modules or all the components team. From your learning point also, at least 4 modules: core HR, absence, payroll, talent. Or in place of talent, you can take compensation or benefits or OLC, anything. At least 3 to 4 modules on the functional side. Along with that, these 3 concepts: security, workflows, HDL, and inbound integrations, HDL spreadsheet, and here OTBI. Sufficient team. Even then you can be called as a techno-functional consultant. Whatever that you are not aware of, you can skip that concept. BIP reports are not mandatory for people to start as a techno-functional team. You are still considered as a technical. Why? You are handling or you have a knowledge on these inbound integrations. In this, you have OTBA knowledge, fast formulas knowledge. Then yes, you can call as a technical and along with functional, techno-functional team. So when you are preparing also from the functional side, 3 to 4 modules, and then these 3 concepts. In technical, some of the technical components you can prepare team. Then you can drop your profile as techno-functional consultant. So if you are not aware of SQL, please ignore this concept. As part of the training, we are going to cover. But if you are not comfortable, don't bother about this. Now coming to the course curriculum, what we are going to cover in this program and how many days this program is planned for. Let me explain you all that and why to choose TrioTech software trainings. Because Oracle knowledge repository and certification process we cannot cover today. In tomorrow's session, I will cover these 2 concepts team. So let me explain you what we are covering as part of the training team. So as we all know, it's a live training daily team. It's a live training, Zoom-based live training conducted every day. The timings will be Monday to Friday. Okay. And the timings will be 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. As today's demo, we got extended for some time. Every day, the timings will be Monday to Friday, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. IST in the Indian time zone. So people joining from US and UK, please check your timings accordingly, and from Middle East also. Every day, Monday to Friday, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. IST, we'll have the live training. Coming to the course curriculum team, as part of this training, we are going to cover core HR, absence, payroll, talent. In this talent profile, goals, performance, all the components in talent, and also compensation module team. The 5 modules will be covered as part of the training, and along with this, all these components will be covered: security, workflows, customizations, HEDL, spreadsheet, BI, OTBI, fast formula. So it's going to be a HCM techno-functional training. Okay, it's going to be a HCM techno-functional training team. So as I told you, it will be every day, Monday to Friday, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. And coming to the duration team, it will be for 2.5 months, close to 3 months team. Considering the holidays or the weekends that we have, the period will be 2.5 months or maximum 3 months of period team. So total number of hours will be close to 90 hours of duration. Sometimes it will be plus or minus 1 or 2 hours. Total duration will be 90 hours of program for this particular training team. And what you will be getting in this program from us. So as I told, everyday live training, along with this, you will be getting lifetime access to the videos team. So where we can access videos, Kumar, it's nothing like we are going to share the videos every day on a YouTube or on a Google Drive link. Nothing like that team. We have our own LMS portal. So if you go to our website team, you have a login button here. You can log in into our website and you can pass your credentials team. You will be given with user ID and password. Once you log in, you will land upon the dashboard. And here you have your enrolled course. You can go to the enrolled course and here you can see team. This is one of our old students that I could able to see. So, okay, if you come here, all the sessions will upload accordingly team, topic wise. And here it is a password protected. We will be sharing to everyone after the enrollment, this access team, and you can able to watch the session here. So all the sessions day by day will upload here team. With the topic wise, you can able to go through the sessions again team. This access to the videos will be there for lifetime. And we are going to provide you 5 months server access for practicing the application team. Because every day, whatever the sessions that we are going to conduct, you have to practice in the application. We are going to provide 5-month stable server access team. Means we have a private environment. Usually outside, you will be getting the demo instances. Every 3 days or every 4 days, Oracle will refresh the application. The data will be gone. Again, you have to reconfigure everything. But 5 months, a dedicated private environment we are going to provide you where you can configure end-to-end full life cycle of implementation in that team. And along with this team, we have our own customized materials for each module. It's not Oracle material. We prepared customly for every module. So this is for core HR module team. It's 120 or 130 pages document. Every topic in the core HR with explanation, definition, and with screenshots, navigation team. Every topic. So you will be getting the user manuals for every module in the system, which will help you rather than again repetitively attending the videos and going across the videos. By studying that material also, you can be ready for interviews team. That materials will be provided to you for all modules. And we are going to provide you the real-time scenario-based assignments for each module. So in whatever the projects that I personally worked on and working currently, whatever the work implementation activities that we will be doing, we have our own bunch of assignments team. So for every module, we are going to share the assignments. This is one of the sample core HR assignment team. So we will ask you to prepare the assignment and submit to us back so that we can able to evaluate your assignments team. That activity will be there for every module in the system. And a part of this team, coming to the placement side or the interviews point of view team, as I told you, we are going to conduct the workshop for the interview preparations team, where we are going to explain you the real-time project implementation. Like when you are working in a real time for any project, from start to end, what are the different phases that we will be working across, starting with project management plan, then kickoff meeting, as is study, to be study, then what is CRP1, CRP2, what do you mean by testing phase, UAT phase, KUT phase, then go live, hypercare. From starting to end in real time, if you are working in a project, what you will do, that exposure we are going to provide here because it's a fundamental thing everyone should know. I'm talking it openly. Many of you are in a plan to portray your experience into Oracle HCM and you want to go for the interviews. If you are going with a kind of a experience, if you don't know what happens in the project, you are keeping 3 years or 4 years experience, what will be there in the interview? Interviewer will ask you simply, hey, tell me what are your roles and responsibilities in the project. So what you will do in CRP1? What do you mean by KUT phase? If you are blind, if you don't know, what is the point of learning all these things? That is the reason, team, we will be conducting the workshop on implementation project. If you are working in implementation project, what sort of work you will do? In each phase, what activity we will do? What document we will prepare and present to the client? What is meant by RD50, VP80, solution designing, or user manuals, DO70, what is BR100, core configuration workbook. The samples of that also we are going to share with you as part of materials team. And at the same time, the support project overview. If you deployed in the support project, what sort of issues will come? What sort of ticketing tools will be used in the real-time projects? What are the SLAs? Within P1 means what? P2 ticket means what? P3 ticket means what? That all real-time exposure from the point of placement side, we are going to cover in workshop team. And for every module, we are going to provide you the interview questions and answers, both fresher point of view as well as experienced scenario based questions. That also you will be getting access team. And resume assistants will be their team, where we can also help you for the resume building and then sharing the profiles to companies. Basically, every month companies will reach us for trained profiles with us. Like we require 3 years experience in profile, fresher profiles, 2 years experience, 7 years experience, like that. So from our students, we will be conducting the mock interviews and we will also share the profiles to the company's team for the placement side. So parallelly, you will also be posting the profile, the resume that what we prepare So definitely you will be getting the calls. As such, the demand is very high for this product in the marketing. If you could properly prepare for these 2.5 or 3 months, everyday sessions, if you attend without fail, or if you couldn't able to attend live, day by day sessions, if you go through the recordings again, exactly what I'm telling in the class. If I take a topic and I'm giving you a definition to that, just repeat that in the interview. That level of preparation is required. Make a note of everything, team. Every class you have to write down. Please make a practice of keeping the book, go through the recording again. The entire 1 hour, what Kumar explained today, that all concepts you have to write down. That level of preparation, even it might be experienced candidate also, team. You might have 10 years experience or 12 years experience in other domains moving out to this current technology. That level of preparation is needed so that you can able to clear the interview. So throughout the process, I'm going to help you out all the things, team. So this is about why to choose TrioTech software trainings and what you will be getting as part of this training. So the course fee and all will be shared to you by the admin team. Already admin teams requesting you for the details to share, team. If you already reached out to me in the WhatsApp or through call, fair enough. If not, if your people directly attending the session today, please reach out to this number that is available on your screen. Okay. Or you can WhatsApp or you can call us on this particular number, team, for your doubts in the today's session, or it might be regarding the enrollment. So tomorrow also we are going to have the session, team, followed by session. Whatever we left out today, Oracle knowledge repository, certification process, and introduction to the application, team. I will introduce to you the entire application, the main home screen features and all in tomorrow's session, team. So if you are, if you are okay to proceed with the enrollment, please feel free to reach us, team. You can WhatsApp us or you can call us on this number, or the admin team. If you submit the details in the Google form, the admin team will reach out to you for the enrollment, team. So please do confirm the enrollments by tomorrow so that we can able to share all the access to you. And for your doubts assistance team, we have a dedicated WhatsApp support or a call support also available, team. All you people will be added in the group. Everyday activities I'm going to share in that WhatsApp community only, team. So everyone will have a cumulative learning in this particular program. Now it's time for Q&A. I'm unmuting everyone, team, so you can ask me the questions regarding the today's session, team. So I'm stopping the recording.